This is the Landroid garage. It's used to protect the Landroid from the elements. It's a good accessory to consider if your Landroid is in an area that gets a lot of sun. The Landroid is weatherproof, but the garage will help protect against extreme temperatures and harsh conditions. Inside the box you'll find the cover, 2 legs, 2 brackets, along with all the screws you need to put it together. Simply insert the cover partially into the legs, align the screw holes, and put in the screws. Do the same on the other side. Once the legs are assembled, attach the brackets onto the bottom of the legs. Once assembled, the garage simply fits over the charging base station. It doesn't matter if the boundary wire runs over the metal brackets of the garage or beneath them. Use the lags and secure to the ground.